Hey, how's it going? This is just a quick unboxing for the new ScanSnap ix500. Went to Staples today and it was actually cheaper than the old model, the IS, no, I1500 or S1500. This being the new model, it was actually almost $100 cheaper. And today was the last day of the sale, so I thought I should grab it. Open that up. So first thing you see is a basic quick start and some quick information. This looks like the disc, instruction manual, the cables, and then that should be the actual Scan Smart. And I think this is the carrier sheet that's supposed to come with these. Alright, so stay tuned. I'm gonna see if it works for the applications that I need. Thanks very much.